Hi guys, today 22nd December 2020. See, yesterday Nifty there was a huge crash from this point to this point, and in 5 years there was a problem with my trading account. FNOs were not executed properly. I missed this, but anyway, 4,000 I have made yesterday. But today this was the plan, as this was the low that it touched. Okay, when it breaks this, definitely there will be a huge fall. That's what I thought. Okay, that keeping in mind, so there is the first 5 minutes candle started. So definitely if there is this much fall, there will be a retracement to go up. Okay, so that retracement you can draw with the help of Fibonacci retracement. So if I draw this from top, that's at this place to the end. Okay, let's say up to here. Now if I look at 38 percentage, it's this 13,425 something it's coming, and 50% retracement is 13,490 something, or you can take this as 13,400 close to, or 13,500 close to. So up to this the retracement will happen. This is the plan that I made starting. And then what happened, how did I trade? So if I look at the order book, I did some trades. See, first trade is at 13,400 C, because the mind is with respect to retracement. So first 5 minutes candle I waited, and after 5 minutes at around 9:20 I purchased C, because here the first 5 minutes candle, this is the first 5 minutes candle, this one. So this was the upper part of this is crossed. Okay, the second candle is crossed, so I thought of it will be going up, the retracement is happening, but suddenly taken reverse and the stop loss was hit. So that's the first trade. I took around 9:20, and within 5 minutes I closed around 9:26. There is a loss from 125 to around 23 rupees loss. Okay, 23 rupees, 400 C. It's a huge one, but again I tried. Okay, that is the first one. 22 rupees. Then this immediately what happened, 9:35, I taken a PE, because again the first 5 minutes is broken, and maybe there was a support at this place also, and that is also broken. So hoping that it will fall, I taken around trade around 9:35. Okay, and 9:40, within 5 minutes I closed it and made a profit of around close to 40 rupees. Okay, 40 rupees. This is also within 5 minutes I made a 40. So here I lost 22, here I made close to 40, so balance is 18 rupees into 75 is the profit. Okay, so around 940. Then what happened at 940? This is around 935 and 940, that's it. Then there is a reverse. Okay, there is a reverse that's happening, because this support is taken, and immediately at the support one red candle and immediately green candle means definitely it will be moving up. So that is keeping in mind. So this is around 945. So if you look the orders, 950. Okay, after 5 minutes I have taken it. I purchased at 75 and closed at 91. So here also it's close to 16 points. So 16 points profit into 75. 16 into 75 is the profit I made here, and I closed around 1010. So 1010 is somewhere at the peak. Okay, 10.5 and 10.10, and it started reversing. So I closed here. Then the market has halted for some time at this place, so this becomes the resistance for today, first resistance. Then if I draw some lines, okay, if I draw some lines, so this is the first resistance, and this is the first support. That's what happening. Okay, now if you draw those things, and if you look at the order book, see, I explained up to here 10:10. Then at 12:30, okay, I purchased around 140, and then sold at 117. I made a loss here of around 23 rupees. So why did I do that? Why did I do that? Means it's 12:30. If you see this candle, exactly this candle, 12:30. So the support was broken, so I thought this is also same as low or previous day's support. So then the market is coming downwards like this. Even if I draw a slight line from here to here, something, okay. See, nothing is perfect in the stock market. Everything goes with approximation or probabilities, okay. So I'm just adjusting myself. Sorry, this is here and this is here, okay. It's clear. So this was broken, so I thought it will go down, so I purchased at 12:30, around 140, I think, 140 I purchased, and again waited for some time, because this line I have drawn, right, this line, it was within this inside line, so hoping that it will fall like this, but it's not fallen, it's totally raised up. So a stop loss was booked 140, and this is around 117. I closed it. I made a loss of around 23 rupees. Then again what happened? See, 12:36 I closed, right? Then 12:51 what happens? See, this has given outside, but there is a immediate resistance at this place and this place. So around 12:51, if you look at it, 12:40, and this was giving a upside moment, okay, upside moment. And point is, this resistance is broken and it's raised up, and it was halting. That is the most important. It's not coming down, okay, it's halting. It's halting means there will be a movement towards up. That's a main point. So when there is a raise and halt, raise and halt, raise and halt, like this, it's going, means it will go on. So but here it was a clear halt, so I immediately purchased around 12:51, okay. Around 12:51 I purchased around 135, and I booked a profit of around 118, okay, 159, 159. Now it's around 248 the trading price, but as an option buyer, I can't wait, I have to book as this was going like this only. Immediately if it's coming down means my option price will come down, or option premiums will come down. So I missed. So at 150, 118, okay, this is around 115 and this is around 120, so I waited and this resistance was there, so I closed around 159 price. So if you look at this, there are some stop losses hit, profits hit, but overall trades are only 10 into 20 is 200 is a brokerage. So maybe tax will be around 300 something, so but I'll get around 2000 plus in this account. But why I missed this trade means, see, I was doing trade with fires, okay. So I catch those moments there. So I'll explain to you. So this one is the end, okay. Around 12 or around 120, I stopped it. That's it. That's about my stocks account. I'll explain about fires now. See, in open positions, if you check, see my profits. 7,000, 1,500, 3,000. When loss comes, it has to be less, close to 1,000 rupees. That's it. So when profit comes, it should be huge. That's the most important when you go with trading style. Okay, profits has to be big, loss has to be small. So hi guys, on 22nd December 2020, we made few trades in fires. So if I look at the trades, my first trade is around timing is around 9:20 a.m. and I closed around 9:26. So this was related to 13,300 CE. So I made a loss here because I explained already in upstocks. Then immediately again a PE was purchased 115, 159. So this also I explained in upstocks. So few trades were common, but later I did everything in bank nifty here, so I'll explain directly to this point around 1102. Okay, so if you look at the first one at 1102 bank nifty, so this is around 11 and there was a upside moment. So if it's an upside moment, so I thought of it's going up, so 349 I purchased and immediately stop loss is also booked. Why? Because there was a support at this place and it's giving a moment, it will go down, so it will go up, but it immediately reversed. But within small stop loss I came out. That's the most important. Okay, when the trend is going on your way, you have a patience, because the expectation from here to here is it will go with the green candles, but immediately red candle was formed. I closed it around 333. So to reduce loss is most important. So that's one. Now if you see this around 11 to 11:12 I closed it, and again 11:16 if you observe. Okay, 11:16 if you observe, I purchased around 385, and 405 I booked some profits, and 11:16 I purchased a PE. So it's here because this resistance, this resistance is broken. Sorry, this support is broken, so it's going down. So we taken a PE, and we booked profits around 21 and 33, close to 8 minutes. No, sorry, 16 to 21, around 5 minutes. Then again a PE is purchased around 416 and 460. See, this was a continuous movement from 1116 to 1140. 1116 to 1140, but we traded in two parts. Reason I'll explain. See, 1116 this was broken, and we booked a profit because it was halting. Again, if it comes here, maybe stop loss can hit. Then again, if you look at 1130, then you look at 1140. See, we traded in the moment. In the halt we booked the profits, again traded in the moment, then booked the profits, because as an option buyer I can't wait if it's halting or reverse. So whenever the movement is there, I have to book my profits. That's the most important. So that's what happened here. Okay, so yeah, this was a stop loss hit. Then PE 385 and 405 on profit booked, and 416 to 461 profit book. If you are waited, maybe in 15 minutes chart or half an hour chart, from 385 to 460 you can take it. Okay, but I told right, as an option buyer I want continuous movements only, no halt and no reverse. Okay, then Nifty we have taken around 54 and 51, around 1140 to 1146. Stop loss hit. So 1140 is yeah, this candle. Okay, this candle is also like, say, it's breaking this resistance. Okay, it's breaking this support, sorry, this breaking this support, and again it's reversed immediately. So we booked a stop loss. That is the most important. See, the first 5 minutes, whatever the candle I am taking, if the next candle is not following as what I planned, I should come out immediately. Okay, when planned things, have patience. For unplanned things, impatient. Okay, so that's what we did it here. Then see, it was reversed, we catch that reverse. Okay, 1146, then 1147. If you see, I purchased around 105, and again 100. It's, I waited for some time, but again it got reversed. See, that's what happened. It went up, but again immediately next candle was reversed, so again stop loss was hit. So okay, fine. So retracement is not happening here. So then again at 1240. Okay, 1240 I purchased 25. Again CE, it's going up, but stop loss was hit. Okay, then again see, I purchased around 334. I purchased 75. See, when I look at 1240 to 1250, 1257. Okay, so 1240 is this candle. Okay, this candle. So this was given a downside moment, so I thought it will go down. Oh, no. So wait, let me explain. 1240, it's a CE buy. Okay, it's a CE buy, but see, I bought at this place, then I kept a stop loss very close. Okay, very close, and that stop loss got hit, because when there was a huge movement, definitely when you're buying it, you will be buying at peak. So stop loss in my range around very small I kept. The stop loss was hit here. Okay, that's the main reason what happened here at 304. The stop loss was hit. So immediately what happened, after some time I taken again at 75. Stop loss was kept for, because I explained you, there was a raise and the halt, and there will be a movement. Okay, so for that moment we waited here, and that moment happened, and we booked 334. Now if you see the quantity also, right, I used to do with one lot. Once confirmation is there, I increase my lots to 75, and 75 I purchased around 334, and 75 I closed around 404. So this gives you a good profit. See, some people are there who will do with 750 quantity, 500 quantity. So that day is also going to come once my rewards are more compared to risk. That's what I'm practicing now. So or you should practice, okay? If you are also learning, reward should be hitting more than risks. So this is what, when confirmation is there, increase your quantity. Now 334 to 404, it's around 60 rupees into 75, around 4,000 something it will come. See, again, if you look at 130 to 140, okay, 130 to 140, what happened? It's here because this is the resistance I thought, okay, it was rejecting. Now if you look at 130, again it's not breaking this support, so it's raised again. So aim was it will go up. So this resistance also broken at 130 and it came up to 140, and now we don't have that much patience to wait for some more time, but I should have a patient because this trend is missed, okay, this trend is missed because I thought retracement is around 13,400, I said, right? So now this is around close to 13,600. I can't wait for 40 points. So, and immediately this was one resistance, this was one resistance, some resistance are coming at these places. So I stopped my trade after booking at 140. So if you look at 140, okay, I purchased only 25 from 332 to 440, 456, 29,300 CE in bank nifty. So I'm explaining all nifty, but things are happening same, it's same in bank nifty also. So it's same resistance, same, almost similar, okay, not same, it's similar. So 332 to 446 means it's close to 120 into 25. So that's how we did in bank nifty. I think these things we can follow daily also, because these small moments will be there where there will be a 5 minutes candles up like this for two candles, damn sure. So we can trade daily also with option buying. See, for option buyers, most important is there has to be a moment like this, okay? If three candles are given a moment, yes, book profits and come back. If it's halting, don't trade, don't trade. And so when something is breaking, this resistance is broken here. See, if you look at this part, this candle is breaking, so wait for some retracement, again you book it, you trade it. So see, again it's coming to the support, it's support, you be ready for either CE or PE. So immediately next, if this was a red candle and immediately red candle, definitely there will be a big fall, but immediately green candle means it's getting reversed. These things if you keep in mind, definitely we can make good money in option buying also with less amount. That's the most important, okay? Tax is less. And if you look at total trades of mine, so there are 25 trades, 25 into 20, if you take 500 rupees is gone, and maybe 500 for tax, you take around 1000, say 8500 will be coming into my pocket, okay? So that's it guys, thank you.